I compared the top AI branding tools for small businesses and ranked the 4 best. Let's get into it. I judged each platform on 5 things: how capable the AI actually is, how easy it is to use, the range of branding features, the business-focused tools, and the overall value for a small business. Here's how they stacked up, starting with number 1. At number 1, Design.com. It was the only platform that handled the entire branding workflow, end-to-end: logo, website, business cards, social graphics, presentations, marketing materials, all in one place, and all staying on brand. Let me quickly show you why it earned the top spot. It starts with the logo. You type in the business name, pick a few style preferences, and Design.com generates a whole batch of concepts. And honestly, the variety surprised me. Mountains, badges, modern marks, clean minimal icons, each with its own colors and fonts. I scrolled through dozens, found one with the rugged, outdoorsy feel I wanted, and built the whole brand around it. This part is genuinely clever. You can edit the logo using plain English. I type, replace the sun with a compass, and a moment later it redraws the icon, keeping the same style and colors. It saves real time, and you don't need any design experience to use it. Here's the part that impressed me most. That single logo becomes the foundation for everything else. With a business card, I pick a template and it drops my saved logo straight onto the design, with the brand's colors and fonts already applied. No copying hex codes, no matching by hand. And the exact same flow works for social posts, flyers, posters, presentations, letterheads. Every format pulls from that same saved identity, so the whole set looks like it was designed together. That kind of consistency, this quickly, is what really sells it. Then comes the big one. A full website, generated automatically from the brand I already made. Hero section, services, an about area, a gallery, a contact form, all there, with my logo in the header and the colors and fonts matching everything else. I can edit any section live. It won't replace a fully custom site for a large company, but for a clean, professional, on-brand page online in minutes instead of weeks, it's hard to argue with. And here's where it all comes together. Every design, side by side, with the same logo, colors, and fonts carried across every single format. Keeping a brand this consistent across this many designs automatically is genuinely useful. Number 2. BrandCrowd. It's a strong, branding-focused platform with a huge library of design options. Logos, business cards, social media graphics, and a wide range of business assets aimed squarely at entrepreneurs and small businesses. You can tweak your logo and apply it across ready-made templates, including website layouts. It just doesn't go as wide or as deep as Design.com. The website side is templates rather than a full builder, but for quickly putting together a solid, cohesive set of branding assets, it's a genuinely good option. BrandCrowd works in a similar way. You type in your business name, and it instantly generates a huge batch of logo options. You pick the one you like, and from that single logo it spins up a whole set of matching branding assets, business cards, social posts, even website layouts. If you mainly need a clean, cohesive set of brand assets fast, it does the job really well. Number 3. Wix. Wix's real strength is websites. Its AI website builder and design tools are excellent if your main priority is getting a professional online presence up fast, and it backs that with solid business management features. As an all-round branding tool, it's narrower. It's really built around the website first, but if the site is the center of your brand, Wix is hard to beat. Wix is all about websites. You start by giving it your business name. It asks a few questions about your goals, like driving bookings and promoting events. Then its AI builds out a complete, multi-section website on its own. You pick a template you like and open it in the editor. From there you can edit any section live: text, layout, fonts, images. If the website is the heart of your brand, Wix is the strongest builder of the 4. And number 4, Canva. Canva is the one most people already know, and for good reason. It's brilliant for creating social media content and marketing materials quickly, with a big template library and handy AI-assisted features. It's more of a general-purpose design tool than a dedicated branding platform, so brand consistency takes a bit more manual effort, but for day-to-day content, it's as fast and friendly as they come. Canva takes a chat-based approach. You describe your brand and tell its AI what you want. Ask it for a website, and it designs a full mock-up right alongside you. You can change anything. Here I drop in some background text. Ask for a social post next, and it creates that too, even fixing its own mistakes as it goes. Then you tweak the text, fonts, and layout however you like. For everyday content, it's the fastest and friendliest of the 4. So, to recap, Design.com takes the top spot as the most complete AI branding platform. BrandCrowd comes in second for branding assets, Wix third for websites, and Canva fourth for everyday design content. If you're starting a brand from scratch and want one tool that does it all, Design.com is where I'd start. There's a link below to try it yourself. Full transparency, they sponsored this video, but the ranking is genuinely my own. Thanks for watching.